In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Lenovo laptop slow startup in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is often caused by bloated background services in Lenovo Vantage or the conflict with fast startup hibernate fail. So many Lenovo services start off with Windows and eat through your CPU before you even see the desktop. So what you want to do is go to search on the bottom and type in Task Manager. Go ahead and open it up. Then go over to Startup Apps and then right click and disable anything labeled Lenovo Vantage, Lenovo hotkeys, or glance, like anything like this. So for example, if this was it, go ahead and click disable right here and it's going to be completely disabled and it's not going to be opening like normal whenever you open up your PC. What you could also do is a toggle fast startup. Now, basically, it can cause a state kernel that makes the laptop sluggish over time, and refreshing it often fixes slow boots. So what you want to do is open up the control panel on Windows and then go over to hardware and sound. So just go ahead and find that real quick. Once you go ahead and find it, go over to power options within hardware and sound, then click choose what the power buttons do. Then click change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck turn on fast startup. Restart your laptop and if it boots faster, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.